Karena ngina kone ati mwerekeri wa kithomo ntere chamara jo MUTHEE choketie kana nethirite nindi tugakiegorera Mathita Ja ARIMU ba junior secondary barabethirite bagithetaira michara nontu batari wa kuma ba kwambiria kuthomithia JSS kana junior secondary school riera retibuira kuthomithia ni ontu bongi bethirite bakitheta na kwa kinya gutina mauku ira ni thina inginene muthari wa thirikari ni kweria gukana na mathina ya yonde kinya kureta maukundene ya machukuru Mugambi na kulikithia
Murugamiri kithomo sub-county ya Maratwe John MUTHEE augite kithomo kia junior secondary no akithiete na mbere na kithiete na mbere bwega.
We believe it has taken off well. Those schools that we approved had the first thing is that they have rooms for junior secondary school, and they have started well. We have received and we are continuing to receive, or the schools are continuing to receive books they have received English, they have received for integrated science, they have received for Kiswahili, they have received for visual arts, and it is continuing, and we believe will be
MUTHEE augite amono gukuri na mathina nkuthoma ara makurumira na mara maumirite kithomo giki kia junior secondary amwe no gu akiugaga mathina mamaima withere.
We have been able to receive textbooks, which is a continuous. First we had to identify the schools that were approved as junior secondary schools, and that is how now the ministry was able now to start providing textbooks. The TSC has also done its bit in providing teachers for the junior secondary, and it is also a continuous thing.
Kiongera ugite amwe no guthirikari ni thiete na mbere gukandana na nya gwichaitira kuthiria mathina mama.
But teachers were able to overcome this because they were able to download the curriculum designs, and they were able to do their preparation well. In terms of capitation, the government has sent money for capitation. We are holding a training using our auditors on the use of these funds on Monday, so that as they access the funds, they'll be able to use the resources prudently. We believe we are good to go.
MUTHEE aritia mama warira kwithiritwe kuri na matheta nkutho iguru ria kithomo giki
ba junior secondary ana ba mwankaza ino ne mundu na bare ona resort toteonaga twiragwa meet expectation tokorija kuga atia ana batije ne mbieu kwirwa you and your parent ona muchiari uri ogakarambi athomithie mwana ni muchiari uriku junior secondary ino otembu arimo ne baireke subject 15 arimo baire bakathomithia atabo batomi thirikari
mono atukume ko badiete thai muraloya mono nga muri cukuru muna ana begana muri arimo begana akambira arimo ne baire gutikira bakodoma nitukuria thirikari negeria gwiciria kithomo giki tikage kidoku aikona kiambe gicirirwe mbere nithucoge 844 mubango wa CBC wambo ubanganwe mbere ukinyanire wambo ogerwe wonekane kendo ukaomba alafu riu nikenda wendelea, lakini for now gutigintu kionombi.
Kiripotera Wero TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Maraham mbitagwa Mathini Mugambi.